Here comes the Transformer and Avenger. The first one is from Transformer. Let's open it. The fire. It's Grimlock from Transformer. Let's assemble him. Grimlock is the greatest, strongest, and powerful leader of the Dinobots. Dinobots is a small group on the Autobots. They can transform into dinosaurs, just like this. It looks so real. The second one is from Avenger. It has the picture of Thor. Is it really Thor inside? Let's open it. The fire. Whoa, it's Iron Man. We have to assemble him. He is the leader of Avengers. He's all in gold. He looks so strong. Next surprise egg from Avenger. It has pictures of all Avengers. I wonder who is inside the surprise egg this time. Fire. Awesome! We just got Thor. Now we have to assemble him. He can wear his red cap. Just look. Thor with his mighty hammer. This is an action figure. I guess he is chasing the villain. Great! Great, great, great! And then we're gonna open this surprise egg, also from the Avenger. Will there be another Super Marvel hero inside? The fire. Oh, it's Malekith. He can wear his black cap. Malekith the Accursed is a supervillain in the Marvel Universe. The last surprise egg is from Transformer. Let's open it. The fire. Wow, we just got Optimus Prime. Prime is the leader of the Autobots. Let's assemble him. Well guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot more surprises from Avenger and Transformer on Disney Fun Surprises. I hope you like my video and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.